Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're going to order and test something pretty interesting, a hidden camera clock. Let's see what it looks like, how it works, and whether it's actually worth buying. So guys, here you can see it's on clearance, and 50% off, and also would have 50 reviews. Let's continue buying this product. If we compare it with Amazon or Walmart, it's about $20 cheaper. Well, after shipping and taxes, it cost me around $35.08. I ordered it on August 24th, and it arrived on the August 26th. It was really fast shipping. Let's unbox it. So guys, as you can see, the packaging is perfect, with no damage to the box. Here is the user manual. And it's the charging adapter. And here is the Type-C charging cable. The build quality is really impressive. So guys, here you can see the length of the cable. I'm using this power bank to charge it first. Now guys, it's turned on. It looks like it's blinking because of my camera, but in person, it looks perfect. Now, I'm going to set up this clock with my phone. So guys, I've set up the clock. Again, it looks like it's blinking on camera, but in person, it looks perfect. And here, I've placed it on my table. Well guys, it has a built-in LED with 2 modes, an alarm button, an SD card slot for saving videos, a Type-C port on the back, and a reset button on the bottom. Here, you can see the camera quality. Now you're going to see the day and night results with the original audio. Now turning the lights off. Now, we're going to test the microphone. Let's review this clock. After testing the camera quality, Type-C charging port, built-in speaker and mic, SD card slot, and LED light, I'd give this product 5 out of 5 stars. I've been improving my editing skills, so if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.